Hello guys. I hope you are all well. Today I am gonna show you how to download Pycharm on your PC. We will run our code on the Pycharm IDE. Pycharm is specially made for Python programming. So let's start our downloading process.
Zombie apocalypse.
Open any browser and type download Pycharm for Windows and hit enter. Click the first option. The link will also be provided in description. This software is basically available for Windows, iOS and Mac. Pycharm Professional is paid and you will get Pycharm Professional for 30 days free trials. I will recommend you to download the Pycharm community. For the Pycharm community you have nothing to pay. I am going to download the Pycharm community. Click download. Wait until it's downloaded. I have already installed it, so I am not doing it. After the download is completed, go to your download section. Click Pycharm installer. Click Yes. Click Next. You can change the installation path if you want. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Click OK. If you face any type of problem, so comment down below, I will try to solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.